Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got a uni filter. I'm gonna show you how to install it and how to oil it properly without a spray. If you got the uni spray, there's no problem, you can use it. But if you have liquid oil, it's gonna work as well. So let's get down to business. Let's get a nice sticker in there. Now, some people prefer using no oil on their filter, so it'll run better, and please don't do that. What you're doing is that you're getting a lot of dirt, a lot of crap into your combustion chamber, into your engine, and you don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna take the outside piece off. I'm gonna pour some oil on it and rub it thoroughly. Alright, seems good to me. Now, do the same to the rest of the filter. I'm gonna let it sit here for a couple minutes. Alright, let's put it back together. So I'm gonna take this piece of junk off the carb. This is kind of a Chinese air filter, but believe me, it is that bad. And I'm gonna mount my new unifilter on. Just make sure there's no oil in the mounting snout of the filter when you're mounting yours. Check this out, guys. You'll find affiliate links to the filter in the description below. Thanks for watching, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Later, guys.